I'm coming, my love.
Well played, sir.
The missing ones. The little trolls.
They're not trolls. They're miniatures. They're my friends.
Friends fall by the wayside. The weak perish. It happens on every quest. That's not how a quest works. A quest is one thing. It's not like Holy Grail and a monkey.
Yeah, well, my guys are missing, and Dexter's gonna find them.
Yeah, huh?
Stop. When he catches up with me. Yeah.
He's often knows that. He's often that way. Lawrence is no fool, I can assure you. He has been our leader and guardian for many years.
He's not a chimpanzee. He's a capuchin.
The fool seems agitated.
That's often his way. But I can assure you Lawrence is no fool. He's been our leader and guardian for many years.
Give me
It's my bad.
Ready and action. Very good. One more, Ben. Last one. Here it is. Okay. And background's just playing games back there. Background. Like 'em? I hate 'em!
Look, Larry, we've got to find life here.
That's quite cold there. Wait, stay back. It's coming in. All right. Want to flash your lights at me like it's a rave party? Wow. This is like the best night ever.
Great.
All right.
So much fun.
Good. Right. Okay, you was legit.
Great.
Confirm it. Like I was, I just had to confirm.
I get it.
I just,
I respect that.
Yeah.
Hey, security guard to security guard. I get it.
All right. Any other personal questions?
I think we covered it.
I'll go to the gate then.
Make it happen.
Let's get this gate opened. All right.
Let's reset, everybody. Let's try this again, please. Set, background, and action.
Hey, Dr. B. Looking good. Nice tux.
Indeed.
Rental?
Most definitely not. I'm the head of a major cultural institution, not some sweaty teenager at prom night. Yeah.
Cue the music. And Teddy in 3, 2.
And spot! What is it? Gates open, and it's Teddy Roosevelt!
None of this would have been possible without your generosity. As I look at this crowd, I see invaders!
Mark.